once again. My name is Esther, and if you're a return subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And if today is the first time of you being here, I hope you love it here. Just hang around and see what we have to offer. In today's video, we'll be talking about career clarity in nursing. So if you are a nurse and you have been stuck on deciding on the actual specialty which you have to venture into, this video is for you. What are the things you have passion for? What are those things that are in line with your core values? Are you someone that likes working in a fast-paced environment? Or are you the type of nurse that likes taking a complex decision? Are you someone that prefers working with patients? Are you the kind of nurse that is passionate about ensuring that younger generations, the younger nurses coming in have the adequate skills? That is what I term the internal checkup. That's looking inward to actually find out those values and that align to your passion. The second thing you have to do is to simplify your options. You have actually looked, okay, I love a fast-paced environment in a place that have lots of patients thinking critically and taking decisions immediately in order to save life. Now, if you're someone who really love direct patient care, you may want to focus on acquiring knowledge, certifications, acquiring skills in order to work in the world, different worlds like medical world, surgical worlds. Those ones are actually the ones that come in contact with the patients. To go acquire skills and certifications in such field, depending on what you choose. If you choose to go for cardiology, you go get certifications like the ACLS, BLS, or ECG interpretation classes. Those are the things that will give you an edge in order to not only to acquire the right job, but to actually practice effectively in such fields. If you're a type of nurse that love leadership, education, you want to be involved in building the upcoming nurses, then you have to think of nursing educators, because you're actually motivated to train, to teach, and to impact lives. So what you have to do is to go for certifications in leadership, in mentorship, and staff development certifications. Those are the certifications that will make you stand out and actually give you an in-depth knowledge on how to go about venturing in such fields. People that are interested in such area are the matrons, the nurses in charge, the nurse managers, quality improvement nurses, and those who actually work with decision makers in the hospital environment. There are also nurses who love innovation and they love their independence. I call them the pioneer nurses. Those group of nurses are the ones who take the knowledge of clinical practice outside the hospital settings. So the question you may want to ask yourself is, do I love clinical setting? Do I love to teach? Do I love to impact knowledge? Do I love to mentor the young generation that are coming into nursing? Do I love my independence? Do I just want to innovate, involve in innovation, trying to bring out policies that will help to refine the nursing profession? Now, the final thing you have to do is to act. Yes, don't just think about it. You have to start implementing it. What do you need to do? You have identified the area you want to work. That's very good. The next thing you have to do is to try to connect with the people that work in that environment. How do you do that? You can decide to volunteer. You can decide to do a shadow shift. Now, this may be paid or non-paid depending on the hospital. You can decide to actually volunteer and do a just single shadow shift That will give you a better clarity on what goes on in that particular department. And networking is very important. You have to network. You have to leverage on networking. You have to go out there, look for people that have actually gotten experience in that particular field. Where that it is important to get those certifications ready so that when opportunity come knocking the door, you will not be found wanting. I hope this video have been able to help you. You will be able to help you to identify the career path you will have to choose in as a nurse. If it has, comment on the comment section, and if you have liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and see you in my next video. Thank you and bye.